Good afternoon, all traders and serious students of the market. This is Jeff Killian for the Vector Traders Consortium, vtctraders.com. And today we're going to run through a very short, respecting everyone's Saturday's time, 20-minute presentation to discuss how you can learn how to trade like a professional. Before we get into this, a few honorable mentions here are that we've been in business for over 10 years. We've been in the educational side of the business for 10 years running. We have a well-established track record of helping people get where they need to go. We're fully transparent. We're accountable for what we do, and a major website with a plethora of information regarding trading strategies, a complete glossary of what it takes in order to make this happen. What else? Over 160 trades now recorded in real time as they were taken in the moment, real life trades, not lookbacks. For any of you that are thinking of trading for a living, trading or day trading, I would watch this entire presentation, this 20 minutes, because there is a wealth of information here that you need to know in order to make this happen the right way. So let's talk about exactly what that is. When we talk about, who is a true professional? A true professional is a highly trained person who trades on a daily basis and literally walks into the market and extracts money out and says, "Thank you very much." Now, what it takes to get to that level is obviously a lot of training, getting the right information and being able to use that information right away, so that you're able to practice, you're able to get better at what you do, eventually paper trade, and then start trading minimum contracts according to your account size, and staying that course up and until you gain more confidence, more experience, and only then at that time would you increase your contract sizing according to your account size. Now know that every day, every trading day, the market is in a different environment. It's a different setup. It's a different measure of what could be possible as far as the range of the market is concerned, and where we have any real business trading short or long within that session, within an open equity session, if we're going to trade real-time futures, right? So a true professional knows the current state of that market every day, whatever they're trading. Whether it's ES, YM, NQ, just stocks, ETFs, whatever it is. But the key here, people, listen to me very carefully, is to learn how to put a numbered stamp on what is the current state of the market today, and possibly for the next day or two. Anybody who tells you that they can predict where the market's going to go more than the next, few days, especially if the market is thin, doesn't have any idea how to be able to determine that with any real level of skill. And so this is what the most important thing in my mind is, because once you learn how to do this, then you move on to learning, where and when the smart money is trading. These are the largest institutions that can and move through prices from one level to another. They have the deepest pockets. They can afford to do a lot of things that you nor I can afford to do. So we need to be able to identify when and where these people are doing what they're doing, especially at major market turning points, so that we can catch, as the market turns back around, has an explosive move, either short or long, the majority of the money within 3 or 4 day span. This is what we want to do. So what we're going to do here is we're going to learn how to trade in the same direction at the same time with these people, so that we have an increased level of confidence. If you're not a high volume trader, no matter what you're trading, and you're not trading at the preferred entry prices, right? Having the smart money behind you, 100%, then I'm sorry, it's just not going to work out the same way. So these are some of the very, very basic things that you want to take a look at and understand that you're going to have to learn how to do in order to make that happen.